Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode of Unboxing with HDE-Tech. We have the brand new iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue. As you can see, we have three of them. This one is 512 gigabyte. This one's 256. This one would be the starting 128, which is, I think, a good move on Apple's behalf because of the capability of recording in 4K Dolby Vision. So you have plenty of room. Even if you want to go with 128 gig, you have plenty of room with 128 gigs filled with your photos, your HDR content, your 4K content, all of that. So basically, these are the three variations in the Pacific Blue color, which is the newest color. And then we have three official MagSafe iPhone 12 and 12 Pro cases. So they're interchangeable, as you can see. So these particular cases will fit your 12 Pro and your iPhone 12s. This one's red, as you can see, product red. This one has an interesting name. It's the deep navy color, and this one's the clear. So if you want to show off your brand new Pacific Blue color, clear would be the way to go. Also, we have the sub case UB Pro with a kickstand. I like these. They're utilitarian, and they protect your device very well. We'll have more videos with trying the iPhones in those cases. Also, we have the iBlason from Amazon. They just got in, I believe, yesterday. They're also both the iBlason and the UB Pro from Subcase come with built-in screen. So that was something important to me. I just wanted to avoid the whole putting tempered glass sticking on top of the screen. I didn't want to do that. All right, so let's start off with putting these two away for now. This one is the 256 gigabyte. Let me just go ahead and cover the serial number. This is the, as you can see, I don't know if it's gonna zoom in. There you go. The 256 gig option. It looks pretty. I'm personally very excited. Look at the thickness of this box. It's nothing. It's very thin. So here we go. Let's get to it. Voila. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. Wow. I have to say, I like that matte, shiny combination. Very cool. Let's take the phone out, set it aside for now. Well, no braided cable. We were, I personally thought that we would get braided USB-C to Lightning cable. Unfortunately, that's not the case. And things, as you can see, have been miniaturized. Well, what do you know? You lose a charger, you lose a headphone, you get a SIM ejector tool. And they take away one of your stickers. But it's all good. All for the environment. Alright, let's set these aside for now. Let's dive into the start of the show. Are you guys ready? So satisfying. I love it. I have to say, it looks beautiful. It looks great. Let's start it up. As you can see, you have your power button on the side. Here in the United States, we have the the millimeter wave ultra wideband antenna cut. You have your stereo speaker cutout, with lightning, SIM tray on this side, volume up, volume down, and your vibrate silent toggle switch. Nothing on top. Alright, let's start it up. Wow, you have to hold down the power button for a pretty minute there. Alright guys, well, thank you very much, and we will have more videos. I will set this up and get to it, and once it's all good to go, I will be trying on those cases, so if you guys are interested, swing on by. This is actually my second video on YouTube, so. And we have our little buddy over here. Hey buddy, what's going on? Say hello. Hey buddy. Alright, well guys, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure. See you in the next one. Bye.